Okay, on this one you're going to be simplifying fractions. So you have to think about what number can you divide both the top and the bottom of 6/9 by. And in this case, you divide them both by 3. So if you divide 6 divided by 3, you're going to get 2. And 9 divided by 3, you're going to get 3. So we've simplified that fraction down into 2/3. Now those are neighbor numbers. They're both 2 and 3. They're right next to each other. So you know you're in simplest term when you hit neighbor numbers. Then you look over here. Is that one of the answers? Sure is. You can color in the B. So 2/10. What number can you divide both of these by? Well, you can divide both of them by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Yes, you can use your calculator. So I'll circle 1/5. You know that if you get to a 1, you're done as well. 1 on top, 1 and done is what I say. Do we have 1/5 over here? We do. So I'm going to color in this letter here. And now we have 20/35. This one's a little bit harder, but one ends in a 0, one ends in a 5. So I know I can divide these both by 5. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Okay, now I got 4 and 7. So what I do is, am I in simplest terms? I think about the small number. Well, the small number is 4. And the numbers that go into 4 are 1, 2, and 4. Well, 1 goes into all numbers, so that doesn't matter. And 2 and 4, they don't go into 7. They don't fit in there evenly. So then I know I'm in simplest terms here. So 4/7, and I can color this one. All right, you've got one answer left. It's 2/7. What you do for number 1, you go back down, and you're going to put the letter E where there's a number 1. So down here at the bottom, here's a 1, and we'll put E. All right, let me just do this next one. 12/16. I'm sorry about the jumbo 12. I don't know why that did that. But 12/16. Well, I can divide these both by 3, by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. Here I've got neighbor numbers. I'm done. Calling my 3/4 over here. 15/18. Well, I think they could both be divided by 3. Let me think about it. What's 1 plus 5 on top is 6. So 3 goes into 6. It means 3 goes into 15. 1 plus 8 on the bottom is 9. 3 goes into 9. 3 is going to go into 18. So I'll divide these by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 18 divided by 3 is 6. We've got neighbor numbers, 5 and 6. We're done. Do I have it? Oh, here he is. And I got 20/90. Well, I can divide these both by 10. I'm just going to cross out the zeros. Now I got 2 9s. Am I done? Let's see. Well, the only numbers that go into 2 are 1 and 2, and 2 doesn't go into 9, so yeah, we're done. 2 9s is over here. I'm going to get rid of that. And I've got C left over here, 4/5. So for number 2, I'm going to put in C. Number 2 down here, the letter C. And that will be the answer to some incredibly lame joke. All right, thanks for listening. Enjoy the other 9 problems you've got. Have a good day.